Namaste everyone. Every sunrise brings new opportunities and opens the gate for you to step out. We should not miss it. We should wake up and grab the right juncture. I, Gayatri from 8th Himna, with the members of my class, wish you all a very cheerful morning, wishing and hoping for a safe stay at home. Now, I would request Chitraksha for a beautiful thought of the week.
Thank you, Gayatri, and namaste to all. Thought of the week is life is a collection of changes. So don't avoid changes. Take every change as a challenge. Some give success and some act as a stepping stone to success. It means that change is the main factor of a happy and successful life. Only those people can attain success and happiness in life, those learn to manage changes. Changes are not always bad for us and sometimes they come with new opportunities, so we should always take the change as a challenge. Thank you.
It was really inspiring, Chitraksha. Well, a prayer purifies our mind and soul. Start our day with a positive attitude and always smile to the world. Now let's start our day with the prayer of Supreme Authority.
Namaste.
Thank you very much to our music department and all the students who were involved in this melody. Now kindly give me the permission to introduce our thought board. Here comes our reading charge, respected Kuldeep sir and my classmates. Just me, Trishti, Shreya, Harshit, Kinshuk, Akshit and Gaurish.
Thank you Gayatri and namaste everyone. I hope everybody is safe and sound at home and spending some quality time with the parents. First of all, I would like to thank our school management and also our respected Madam Principal for providing us such a platform through Microsoft Teams that our studies and teaching are not being affected. Even the virtual classes are giving us a different experience. I'm glad to see how seriously all the students sit and study. It also deserves appreciation that you do not miss any opportunity of learning by attending all the classes sincerely. See, what happened? Did I say anything wrong?
No, no, sir. Actually, I laughed over the word sincerely.
Sincerely? Is there anything wrong with the word sincerely?
No, sir, but actually, you won't believe what happened one day.
कितनी बोरिंग क्लास है, कुछ खाने का मन कर रहा है, बनाना खाते हैं।
Jasmeet, what is gravitational force?
Sir, you won't believe what happened with me in SST class.
Now tell me what happened to you?
Drishti,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what is a mineral?
Ma'am, a mineral is.
Drishti, 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 you are hanged and your mother is moving. What's the matter?
Ma'am, actually, there was a network issue.
Okay, no problem. Just tell me what's the meaning of mineral.
Ma'am, again. Ma'am, a mineral is.
Drishti, 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 again your hand and your mother is moving. What's the issue?
Ma'am, actually.
I know you don't want to give the answer.
No, ma'am.
Sir, it's very funny what happened with me.
Shreya, you also tell your story.
Sir, you don't know what happened with me. I was just saved.
Harshit, you also tell me what you did.
After reading the text, now I'm going to ask you a question. Was the name of the boy Rakesh? And Harshit will give the answer. Harshit? Harshit? Are you there? Harshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes! This is the correct answer. The name of the boy was Rakesh. Good.
Sir, it's very funny what happened to me.
I knew that. You must be in the list. Tell me.
Kinsu, tell me the answer.
Sir, I can't tell you what happened to me.
I'm enjoying. Tell.
Oh shit, the battery has died. Now how will I take my class? Mama, give my phone.
I am talking to someone.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I know, sir, these all were very funny. But I'm sure you remember what happened to me. It was surely more than a heart attack.
I remember that incident. Yes, Gaurish, answer the first question. The question is on your screen.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
Gaurish, screen is visible to everyone. Kindly answer first question.
No, sir, your screen is not visible.
Gaurish, it should be visible.
Sir, I am saying the truth. Your screen is not visible.
Not visible, Gaurish?
Yes, sir.
Then look back. These were really funny students, but we cannot dilute the importance of these virtual classes. It is high time we utilized the maximum of it and take a lead in the race of this tough competition. I wish you a great luck and I anticipate that you all will opt the right path and devote your quality time to studies with concentration. Thank you very much. Over to Gayatri.
Some of our friends are celebrating their birthdays this week, so I would like to congratulate them. On 19th of August, Nandita of 12th Chanakya, Malvika of 12th Chanakya, Sukhmanpreet of 12th Kautilya and Simarjit Kaur of 10th Ganges. On 28th of August, Aditi of 7th Yamuna, Madhav of 6th Ganges, Parv of 10th Ganges, Shashwat of 10th Yamuna and Sameer of 11th Chanakya. On 21st of August, Preeti of 12th Aryabhatta, Sujal of 10th Ganges and Suraya of 10th Ganges. On 22nd of August, Navya Bansal of 6th Satluj, Dolly of 9 Nirmada and Tejas of 11th Aryabhatta. On 23rd of August, Arnav of 8th Saraswati, Shubh Kirti of 6th Satluj, Anshpreet of 7 Nirmada, Devansh of 7 Nirmada, Altya Anand of 8th Saraswati, Tashkinder of 11th Chanakya. On 24th of August, Reet of 6th Indus and Vineet of 7th Saraswati. On 25th of August, Krish Raj of 12th Ramanujan. Now, I would request you all to kindly stand erect for the national anthem. Thank you very much from our entire team of 8th Yamuna. We wish you a great day ahead. Namaste.